This will be the first of a part 2 video. In a bowl, mix 4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 packs of yeast. Add to it 5 sticks of butter. I love me some butter. Save the wrappers, we will need them for later. It's time to chop and mix it up. Not that type of chopping. No, too big. These will work. Slice the butter into the mix. Make sure it's not too big. Even smaller. Wow, this takes some time. Once sliced in small pieces, crack 6 eggs. We will need to separate the yellow yolks from the white yolks. How? Too basic. Yeah, he'll do just fine. Crack slowly so as to not get any eggshells in the yolk. Oh no! Quick, before he keeps sneezing his eggs out. Finally! It took a while. Add the 6 yolks to the bowl, along with 2 cups of milk. Mixa, 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 mixa. Mix all the ingredients together. Now, it's time to get messy. Using the butter wrappers from the beginning, cover your hands in butter. You may need to use your hands. It feels like Play-Doh. Make sure to get both sides of the dough. Ugh, this takes some strength. Chop the dough into 3 similar pieces. Make it into a ball. Put it on wax paper and smack it around to make it a little smaller, so we can cover it. Do this for each one, and you should be good. Oh, I almost forgot. Refrigerate it overnight. This has been Cooking with Finn. Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone. This has been Cooking with